Okay guys, now is Krishna flying the Micro Zero. Wait, Tenja. He take one step further. Okay, but control left, right, and elevator, up, down, where's up, down? Elevator not working. Okay, up, down. Okay, oh, it's working. How about the motor? I may. Where's the switch for the motor? Switch motor, where is it? In the radio, where's the turn on the lock? Yeah, turn it on, open the lock. Okay, now hold the airplane properly. Okay, ready? You ready to launch it? You want me to help you to launch? Okay, I help you to launch it. You control, okay? Power. Okay, ready? Come here, come closer. You come closer, come closer. Okay. Now full power. Just full power. Full power, full. Okay. Okay. To the right. Okay, he's coming. Okay. Cut the power a little bit. Too much power. Too much power. Okay, cut the power. You know how to hold the airplane? Yeah. You want to try again?
Yes.
We need to get higher, fly more higher, okay? Then you can control the airplane, okay? Okay, let's try again. Open the lock. Ready? Give some power. Okay. Where he go? Cut. Yeah. Forget. He's still learning how to fly because this airplane only 3 channel. It got elevator and rudder, and then just he have the throttle. Give it a try again. Okay.
Maybe this power.
Check the wind. How to check the wind? Not check the wind. What you do? Take the grass and throw it in the air. Okay, let me do it properly. Take the dry grass like this. You take and you throw. The wind is come from direction. So you have to. Ready? Power. Okay. Okay, now he's gliding. Okay, he's high now. Less power. Okay, good. Bring him here, swing. More power, push more power, right hand. Yes, bring him back. He's coming back. More power. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Nice. Okay, slowly. Up a little bit. You swing bang yang too much.